All right, let's get real. Can you really get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in just 1 week? I know the idea sounds awesome. Who wouldn't want to see their channel blow up overnight? But here's the truth. It's not as easy as some people make it seem. Let me break it down. I've seen so many new creators think that if they just upload a few videos, their subscriber count will skyrocket. But reality check. YouTube success isn't instant. It's not a lottery ticket. Most channels actually struggle at first. You post content and sometimes it feels like you're talking to a brick wall. Low views, hardly any comments, and definitely not those magical 1,000 subs in a week. It's easy to get discouraged when your numbers aren't moving. I've been there. I've seen creators burn out fast because all they cared about was subscriber count. And let's be honest, those get 1,000 subs fast schemes, they usually end in disappointment. Some people even buy subs or use bots, but that just tanks your engagement rate, and honestly, it's not worth it. So what actually works? First, you have to know your audience, like really know them. Find your niche, create videos that people want to watch, and make sure your quality is on point. You can't just throw up any old video and hope it sticks. Next, get your SEO game strong. Titles, thumbnails, descriptions, these are huge. You want your videos to show up when people are searching, and don't just post and ghost. Reply to comments, shout out your viewers, and actually build a community. Collab with other creators. Cross-promote on social media. Get your name out there. If you look at channels that have blown up quickly, like some gaming or reaction channels, they've got a few things in common. They're consistent, they're authentic, and they engage with their audience. They didn't just get lucky. They put in the work and made people care about their content. So, what's the big secret to growing fast on YouTube? Honestly, there is no secret. It's hard work, smart strategy, and yeah, sometimes a little luck. Getting 1,000 subs in a week is super rare. But if you keep putting in the effort, you will hit that milestone. Focus on value, consistency, and real connection with your viewers. Don't chase shortcuts or viral hacks. Build something that lasts. If you've got your own YouTube growth story, or maybe you're still grinding, drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more real talk about growing your channel. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.